G'day, welcome to W&M Electrical. My name's Wayne and I'm a licensed electrician and electrical contractor. I'd like you to join me for some informative videos. These videos will be designed for the industry professional as well as people just looking to be more informed on safety devices and their operation. Please follow us on Facebook or check us out on www.wnmelectrical.com.au. Welcome. In today's episode, we're going to have a look at the most commonly asked question that I get, and that's the difference between circuit breakers and safety switches. I've got here a switchboard that I've set up. Obviously it hasn't got the meter in it, but it's probably very similar to your switchboard. Or maybe you have these devices, circuit breakers and switchboards, in a different load center inside the house. But this is probably one of the more common switchboard setups. So let's have a closer look at the circuit breakers and switchboards in the board here. So the first one over here is your main switch. This is purely an isolating device for your light and power. The second one over here is the main switch for the hot water. Now this one is actually a circuit breaker as opposed to the main switch, which is just an isolator. The main switch for the hot water that I've got here is actually a circuit breaker. We can tell that by the fact that it doesn't have a test switch on it like safety switches do. So the next one along is a stove, and that's a dedicated circuit back to the stove, and this is a circuit breaker. This one here, power 1, as marked on the yellow sticker, is a circuit breaker. Again, it doesn't have a test switch on it, so it can't be a safety switch. This circuit is for your power points on power 1. This is power 2, and these two power circuits are actually work in conjunction with this safety switch here. So this is power 1 and power 2, and this safety switch is for these two power circuits. So you've got your circuit breaker protection for the two power circuits. In addition to that, you've got the safety switch which operates through these two circuits. The third one along here we've got is light 1 it's called. Now this is a circuit breaker because it doesn't have a test switch on it, and we see that it's got a yellow tag on it again, like the power circuits do. It's got a yellow tag on it, or sticker. That means that it's protected by a safety switch. The safety switch that is associated with it, we can look along and see that it's light 1 is a circuit breaker. Over here we've got light 1 safety switch. So this safety switch is run through this from the circuit breaker through that safety switch. So this light circuit is protected through by the safety switch. Additionally, you've got power 3 here. You may have one of these on your switchboard. Now this is a combination device of circuit breaker and safety switch in one. You'll note here the orange test button down the bottom. It's very different from the other two safety switches that I've just shown you, but it's a combination safety switch circuit breaker, and this is the test button for it. So basically, to summarize, anything with a test push button on it is a safety switch, and if they don't have a push button on them, then they're primarily just circuit breakers, except obviously for your main switch here, which is just an isolator. I'll get to more of this in the next episode and show you the actual operation of them. I trust you found this video informative, and I look forward to seeing you for the next episode. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook or visit www.wnmelectrical.com.au. Thanks for watching.